How to DM someone on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can DM someone on Twitter. So let's go. The first step is for you to log in into your Twitter account. And before I go further, I must let you know that in order to DM someone, you have to ensure that the person you're trying to DM follows you, or their settings has been adjusted to allow DMs from anyone to follow you. Still think of that to avoid being blocked by Twitter. So once you are on your Twitter page, move to the bottom right corner, click on the envelope icon, and you'll be brought to your inbox page. So click on the new message by the bottom right corner of the screen, and then type out the username of the person that you would like to send a DM to. So once you type that name of the person and you found the person, just go ahead to tap on the person and then type out the message. All right, and then click on the send button, and then just like that, your message will be sent. But note that the person you're trying to DM must follow you. So that is it. This is basically how you can send a DM on Twitter. Thank you for watching, and go ahead to practice what you just learned. Have a good day.